Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. It might surprise you to learn that over two-thirds of supply chain managers still rely on Excel spreadsheets to manage their inventory. And while that might work for a startup, it's also why 34% of retailers admit to shipping orders late, often because they accidentally sold something they didn't actually have. It's a common problem. A business grows, adding new products, warehouses, and sales channels, but the systems running it don't keep up. That's where a tool called an ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning System, changes the game. Think of it less as a piece of software and more as a central brain for your entire operation. Instead of keeping inventory data siloed, an ERP connects it directly to sales, finance, and purchasing. Everyone is looking at the same, up-to-the-minute information. Here's how that works in practice. First, you get a single source of truth. Imagine a sales rep closes a big deal based on a morning report, not knowing the warehouse just shipped those exact items an hour ago. It's a classic mess that ends with an apology call to a customer. An ERP prevents this by instantly updating stock levels the second a sale is confirmed. The inventory is locked for that order, so you can't sell it twice. The other game changer is real-time visibility across all your locations. Let's say a customer wants a product that's sold out in your main warehouse. Without a connected system, that's a lost sale. But an ERP can show you that the same item is sitting on a shelf in your retail store across town. You can fulfill the order from there, turning a potential stockout into a saved sale. It helps you move inventory from where it's stuck to where it's needed. Finally, it's about smart automation. Instead of paying someone to manually check shelves and panic buy when stock gets low, the system does the watching for you. When inventory hits a preset level, it can automatically draft a purchase order to your supplier. This prevents your cash from being tied up in extra boxes, gathering dust, which directly reduces carrying costs. Research shows this kind of integration is a massive performance driver, accounting for a 67% boost in supply chain efficiency. Ultimately, moving to a unified system shows that managing inventory isn't just about counting what you have. It's about knowing what to do with it,